The world of medicine is tightly regulated to ensure every treatment is safe and effective. Powerful organizations act as global guardians, setting and enforcing the rules for pharmaceutical companies. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, protects public health in the United States, while the European Medicines Agency, EMA, does the same for the European Union. These agencies influence global standards, often setting the bar for other countries. The World Health Organization, WHO, provides international guidance, especially for countries without strong local regulators. Other key authorities include Japan's PMDA and Health Canada, all working to harmonize standards worldwide. Their collaboration builds trust in medicines, ensuring consistent quality from local pharmacies to international hospitals. For pharmaceutical professionals, understanding these authorities is essential. Compliance with their guidelines is mandatory. These rules guarantee that medicines are produced safely and reliably, forming the backbone of public trust. Doctors and patients rely on this system to ensure treatments work as expected. The work of these global guardians protects millions of lives every day. Imagine building a product for many countries, each with different rules. Chaos, right? The International Council for Harmonization, ICH, solves this by creating unified guidelines for pharmaceutical quality. The ICH-Q series is the global rulebook, covering every stage from development to manufacturing and stability. ICH-Q7 sets good manufacturing practice for active ingredients, while Q9 focuses on quality risk management. Q1 explains stability testing, Q2 covers analytical method validation, and Q10 outlines the Pharmaceutical Quality System. These guidelines help companies build quality in from the start and manage risks proactively. Harmonized standards mean companies don't have to repeat tests for every country, speeding up access to new medicines. Medicines approved in one region meet the same high standards elsewhere. For pharma professionals, the ICH-Q series is the essential roadmap for global compliance. It streamlines development and ensures safe, effective medicines reach patients worldwide. Mastering these guidelines is key to success in pharmaceutical quality. The FDA constantly updates its rules to keep pace with science and technology. Data integrity is a top priority, using Alcoa Plus principles to ensure all manufacturing data is accurate and reliable. This prevents data manipulation and supports sound quality decisions. The FDA now uses remote regulatory assessments, RRAs, allowing virtual inspections of facilities worldwide. RRAs supplement traditional on-site visits, making oversight more flexible and efficient. Advanced therapies like cell and gene treatments are also in focus, with new guidance for their unique challenges. The FDA adapts its rules to ensure these innovative products are safe and consistent. Continuous manufacturing is another major push, producing drugs in a constant flow rather than slow batches. This method improves efficiency, reduces waste, and enhances quality through real-time monitoring. The FDA encourages companies to adopt these advanced technologies for safer, more reliable medicines. Staying current with FDA updates is crucial for compliance and innovation. These changes shape the future of pharmaceutical production. Ultimately, they benefit public health by ensuring medicines are safe and effective. The EMA has revamped its rules, especially with the new Annex 1 for sterile medicines. Annex 1 now requires a robust contamination control strategy, CCS, focusing on risk management throughout manufacturing. Companies must regularly update their CCS based on new data, covering everything from facility design to staff training. Digital transformation is also a priority, with Annex 11 setting standards for secure, reliable computerized systems. The EMA promotes digital records and initiatives like Electronic Product Information, EPI, for better access to medicine data. Managing impurities, especially nitrosamines, is another focus. Companies must assess and control risks to ensure safety. These updates push companies to think critically and proactively about quality. For anyone making medicines in Europe, adapting to these changes is essential for compliance. The EMA's evolving rules set a high bar for patient safety and product quality. The WHO sets international standards to ensure everyone, especially in low and middle-income countries, has access to quality medicines. Its good manufacturing practice, GMP guidelines, form the basis for many national regulations. The Pre-Qualification of Medicines program evaluates and approves essential drugs for global health organizations. This ensures a reliable supply of life-saving medicines for vulnerable populations. The WHO also combats substandard and falsified medicines through global surveillance and training. It supports technology transfer, like mRNA vaccines, to build local manufacturing capacity. By bridging innovation and access, the WHO helps ensure medical advances benefit all. Its work is vital for global health equity and safety. New technologies are transforming how medicines are made and regulated. Digital tools and AI predict problems before they happen, improving consistency and quality. Regulators now support computer software assurance, CSA, a risk-based approach to validating digital systems. This shift streamlines compliance, letting companies focus on what matters most: patient safety. Continuous manufacturing is replacing traditional batch processes, allowing real-time quality control and less waste. These advances make manufacturing more efficient, flexible, and environmentally friendly. Digital systems also improve traceability and data integrity, reducing human error. Pharma professionals must adapt, learning to manage advanced technologies and data. Embracing these tools is essential for future compliance and innovation. Pharmacopeias are the official books of pharmaceutical standards. They define the identity, strength, quality, and purity of medicines, standards that are often legally binding. Major pharmacopeias include the USP, European Pharmacopeia, Japanese Pharmacopeia, British Pharmacopeia, and the WHO's International Pharmacopeia. Each drug or ingredient has a monograph detailing its properties and required tests. Pharmacopeias ensure every batch meets the same high standards, no matter where it's made. They provide a common language for quality, supporting international trade and public safety. Quality control labs rely on pharmacopeias daily to test products. Following these standards is essential for regulatory compliance and public trust. Pharmacopeias are the backbone of global drug safety. Why do all these rules and standards matter? It's simple: patient safety. Every guideline exists to protect people who rely on medicines to improve their lives. Compliance isn't just a legal duty. It's an ethical responsibility that builds trust. Failures in compliance can lead to recalls, fines, and most importantly, patient harm. Harmonized global standards help companies reach more markets efficiently and safely. A strong quality system saves time and resources, fueling innovation in new treatments. Embracing new technologies and building quality into every step is the future of pharma. For professionals, understanding and following these guidelines is a critical responsibility. Ultimately, it's about upholding a promise. Every medicine must be safe, effective, and trustworthy.